Okay, we have a pine tree, and we have moss, and we have a Pringles can. The moss does not have roots, as rhizoids instead, and phloem everywhere. The xylem, or what did I say? Xylem is what produces the annual rings, or that's what the annual rings are made out of. The plant takes in pollen for reproduction, and then it has a process of pollination where the seeds get fertilized, and then they drop off the tree to spread. And then the plant is a gymnosperm, so it does have lots of things.
Alright, so Flint already told you we have a pine tree inside moss, inside a Pringles can. We're not sponsored. Alright, so these needles, they have cuticles on them. That's what makes them waxy. Inside of the needles, we have chloroplasts that have chlorophyll inside them. That's what makes them green. The plant grows by using photosynthesis. It takes in sunlight, nutrients, and water and helps it grow. The vacuole stores extra of the nutrients and water and things like that. And the moss right here is a non-vascular plant. And that covers
This is a pine tree. Okay. It has no tissue on it. It has seeds right here. And it has no petals. It has these little things right here. It has no fruit protecting it. It's not a flower. It's a pine tree, whatever. And it has a root cap that protects it from anything that needs to harm it. And that's me.
This plant and the trunk, it has rings that are called cambium, which can tell how old the plant is. This plant is not an angiosperm. It is a gymnosperm. It is a monocot. It is not a dicot. And these things right here produce pollen, which later become the sperm cell in a process called fertilization, which helps the plant reproduce. Forgot basket.